What's up, you guys? It's been a while. Happy New Year. So we got some new mods for the Tacoma. A couple videos will be coming out, but the first one here is brought to you by Lexland Auto Parts. I'll put links in description and everything you need to check their website out. But we got some front tow hooks for the Tacoma. They're the TRD Pro style ones. These are red aluminum anodized, really nice, heavy duty, lightweight. So the tools needed, you'll have to have a 17-inch socket. I'm using a breaker bar. You can use a, impact wrench or whatever, because they are on there good, these tow hooks. I mean, they gotta tow your truck, but we're replacing that right there. Pretty nice difference, wouldn't you say? And there it is, guys. We got the front tow hooks installed on the truck. They look pretty good, right? Lexland makes some awesome quality products. Pretty heavy duty. So let me know what you guys think. Is it worth getting? I think it's a pretty good add-on. Nice TRD Pro look. Just makes the truck look even better. But I appreciate you guys watching, and check out the description. The Lexland tow hooks. Yeah, see you next time.